Good afternoon, children. Now we are discussing matrices, chapter exercise 3.8 LAQ. Solve the equations by Gauss-Jordan method. 2x minus y plus 3z is equals to 9. X plus y plus z is equals to 6. X minus y plus z is equals to 2. Solution is the given system of equations can be written as Ax is equals to B. This is nothing but A matrix. A is what coefficient matrix of x, y, z in the given system of linear equations. 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 1, 1 and 1, minus 1, 1 we are writing in this matrix. And variable matrix is x, y, z. Is constant matrix is 9, 6, 2 which we represent with B. Augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is AB. Writing A and B together is known as augmented matrix. This is A matrix. Writing 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 1, 1 and 1, minus 1 writing in this place. This is A and the B matrix is 9, 6, 2. Next, this A matrix we are going to convert into 3 by 3 identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is 3 by 3 identity matrix. To convert this matrix into 3 by 3 identity matrix, we need to make these two elements are zeros. These are what? R2 and R3. Writing R2 and R3, which row we don't have? R1. With respect to R1, we are going to make these two elements are zeros. For that, what we are doing? To get 2 in this place, it should be multiplied with 2. For that we are writing 2 into R2 minus R1. Here writing 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. Again 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. Minus R1. What are the elements we have in R1? 2, minus 1, 3 and 9. But it is multiplying with minus. So each and every element of R1 is multiplying with minus. So that's why we are getting minus. Minus into plus minus 2, minus into minus plus 1, minus into plus minus 1 into 3 is 3, minus into plus is minus. So adding these two, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Biggest number sign we should treat that it has minus. So that's why writing minus here. 12 minus 9 is 3. This is what R2. And doing next to R3. Whatever the elements we have in R3, 1, minus 1, 1 and 2. But making this element 0 with respect to R1, we have 2 in R1 place. So need to get 2 in this place. That's why it is multiplying with 2. 2 ones are 2. Yes or no? Next, 2 plus into minus, minus. 2 ones are 2. Again plus into plus, plus. Next, 2 ones are 2, next 2 twos are 4 and minus R1. What are the elements we have in R1? 2, minus 1, 3 and 9. Write first elements of R1 and it is multiplying with minus. Each and every element of R1 is multiplying with minus. Minus into plus, minus 2 ones are 2 and next plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2. Next plus into plus, plus 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Next minus. R1 element is multiplying with minus. Minus into plus, minus 2, minus into minus, plus 1, minus into plus, minus 1 threes are 3, minus into plus, minus 9. So add these two elements, you will get 0. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. And getting R2 and R3 writing in this place 0, 3, minus 1, 3 writing in R2 place. And R3 place we have 0, minus 1 and minus 5 writing in this place. So according to 3 by 3 identity matrix we got in this place as 0. Next need to get R1 in this place getting 0 and here also 0. For that what we are doing? For that which row we don't have? R2. With respect to R2 we are going to make R1 second element and R3 second elements are zeros. So which row we are not changing? R2. Write R2 0 3 minus 1 3 as it has, and R1 is multiplying with 3. So for that we are doing what? 3 into R1. Each and every element of R1, this is R1. R1's elements are multiplying with 3. 3 to the 6. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. And next 3 3s are 9. Next 3 9s are 27. Next R2 we are adding. What are the elements we have in R2? 0, 3, minus 1, 3. Writing here. And now you add these two. 6 plus 0 is 6. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. And 9 minus 1 is 8. 27 plus 3 is 30. Write in R1 place. And we are going to solve the R3. R3 is nothing but 3 into R3 plus R2. Each and every element of R3 is multiplying with 3. Then you will get 3 into 0, 0. Next what? 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Next 3 into minus 1, again minus 3. Plus into minus, minus. 3 5s are 15. Next we are adding R2 to the R3. Then what is R2? 0, 3, minus 1, 3. Write in place. Next add the 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 3 plus 3 is 0, minus 3 minus 1, if we add we will get minus 4, minus 15 plus 3 is minus 12. Write in R3 place. Now if you observe R1 elements 6, 0, 8, 30, each and every element of R1 except this element are dividing with 2, then you will get 3, 0, 4, 15. Here it is. 3, 0, 4 and 15. Next 0, 3, minus 1, 3. This is R2 writing as it is. And next what we are doing here? R3 gives rise to R3 by minus 4. 0 by minus 4 is 0. And 0 by minus 4 is 0. Minus 4 by minus 4. We get plus 1 and minus 12. Minus 12 by minus 4 is minus minus gets cancelled. In 4 table how many times we will get? 12, 3 times. That we write here. Now this matrix is not completely in 3 by 3 identity matrix, which we need to change 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So to convert this matrix into completely 3 by 3 identity matrix, we need to change these two elements as zeros from non-zero elements. For that, this is what R1 and this is R2, making R1 and R2 these places zeros. For that, to get 0 in this place, which row we don't have? R3. With respect to R3, we are going to make R1 and R2 elements are zeros. So R1 place we have 4. To get in this place 4, it should be multiplied with minus. So R1 minus 4 into R3 and R2 plus R3. So then you will get, which row we are not changing? R2, right? Which row we are not changing? R3, right? R3 as it is 0, 0, 1 and 3. So R1 is nothing but R1 is 3, 0, 4, 15, writing here. And R2 is, so minus 4 into R3 means each and every element of R3 is multiplying with minus 4. Then you will get minus 4 into 0, 0, minus 4 into 0, 0, minus 4 into 1, minus 4, minus into plus 3 is minus 12. So if you add these two, you will get 3 plus 0 is 3, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 15 minus 12 is 3. Now this is R1, write in R1 place. And next we are changing R2. R2 plus R3. What is R2? 0, 3, minus 1 and 3. And next plus R3 we are adding. That is what? Writing here R2 and R3 is 0, 0, 1 and 3. For that 0, 3 plus 0 is 3, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 3 plus 3 is 6. Write this R1 and R2 places. Now R1, to get 1 in this place, it should be divided by 1. So 3, it should be divided by 3. R1 is gives rise to R1 by 3 and R2 is gives rise to R2 by 3. So then we will get 1, 0, 0, 1 writing here, and 0, 3 by 3 is 1 and 0 by 3 is 0, 6 by 3 is 2 and 0, 0, 1, 3. This you compare with x coefficient, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2 and z is equals to 3. This is the required solution. After getting answer, we can verify. Take any one equation. I am taking x plus y plus z is equals to 6. Substituting x value and y value, z value. What is x here? 1. Substitute in x plus y is equals to 2. Substitute in y plus and z is equals to 3. Substitute in z plus. Add this x, y, z values. 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6, is equals to 6. So whatever we got, the x, y, z values are equal by doing the verification.